Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Light Cube is probably one of the most versatile and innovative lighting solutions available today, offering a unique blend of portability, customizable illumination, and aesthetic appeal that can transform any space or capture stunning photographic and videographic moments with its dynamic color options and adjustable brightness settings, making it an indispensable tool for creators and home decorators alike. Number 5. FLASHDASH Flashing Cube Electronic Memory Game. Enhance your hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and memory with this engaging brain game. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go fun. Test your speed, focus, and accuracy in exciting reflex games. Can you press the red lights fast enough while dodging the green and grabbing the blue? Master the follow and remember me modes to improve your pattern recall. These engaging STEM toys grow with your child's developing skills. After each round, enjoy a dazzling light show display. It's a fantastic game for the whole family, suitable for all ages and skill levels. This compact cube is built for lasting fun, similar to a Rubik's Cube. It's the perfect gift for kids who love challenging, light-up toys. What we like. This cube is designed to boost memory and focus through engaging light games. It challenges your speed and reflexes with fun modes like Chase and Catch Me. If you are looking for a fun way to improve cognitive skills for kids aged 6 to 12, this is a great choice. What people say. It's still working perfectly. The lights are still bright, the buttons respond like new, and the sound hasn't faded or gotten glitchy at all. It has gotten way more use than I ever expected. I've had the same batteries in it for 3 years and it's not dead or broken. The sound quality is fine. There are many fun colors. Number 4. Lume Cube Broadcast Lighting Kit. Transform your video calls, live streams, and online content. This adjustable light enhances your appearance and boosts productivity, ensuring you always look your best on camera. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or on a business call, this flicker-free LED light is your ideal companion. It comes with versatile mounts for effortless positioning. Take full control of your lighting environment. Easily adjust the brightness from 1 to 100% and fine-tune the color temperature from warm to cool for the perfect atmosphere. Unbox a complete lighting solution. It includes the LED light, a diffuser, an adjustable stand, a laptop clip, and a USB-C charging cord for immediate use. Enjoy hours of continuous light with the built-in battery, perfect for on-the-go use. For extended sessions, simply plug it into a USB port for unlimited power. What we like. Elevate your video calls and live streams with this adjustable webcam light. You can customize brightness and color temperature to ensure you always look your best. If you are a streamer, vlogger, or someone who frequently participates in video conferences, this will significantly improve your on-camera presence. What people say. It's the perfect light to mount on my desktop computer and use for virtual calls. The control options on this one make it worth the price. Brightness was perfect. I was afraid it was going to be too bright or even feel like a spotlight on my face. I attached the suction cup to the back of my laptop, MacBook Pro 2016, and never popped off or had any trouble sticking. The angle was perfect because it illuminated the whole area around my head, upper torso, and looked natural. The tripod works flawlessly. Sturdy, easy to adjust the height on the tripod. The one thing that surprised me was the silicone light diffuser. It doesn't take a lighting expert to set up, turn on and get easy great light. Number 3. Lume Cube Video Conference Lighting Kit. Tired of looking dim on video calls? This lighting kit is designed to instantly improve your appearance on camera, ensuring you look your best for any virtual interaction. Featuring a frosted lens and diffuser, it provides a soft, professional glow that's easy on your eyes. Perfect for enhancing your look during important work-from-home meetings and video conferences. Easily adjust the brightness from 1 to 100% and fine-tune the color temperature from warm to cool. Achieve the perfect lighting to match your skin tone and environment. The included suction cup mount attaches securely to your laptop or desktop. Get optimal lighting for video calls and streaming, whether you're at your desk or on the move. Enjoy hours of illumination with the long-lasting built-in battery. For continuous use during long broadcasts or meetings, simply plug it into your computer's USB port. What we like. Achieve a professional glow for your video calls and streams with this easy-to-use light. It offers adjustable brightness and color temperature to complement your skin tone and environment. If you work from home and want to look polished during virtual meetings, this is the perfect accessory for your setup. What people say. It's the perfect light to mount on my desktop computer and use for virtual calls. The control options on this one make it worth the price. Brightness was perfect. I was afraid it was going to be too bright or even feel like a spotlight on my face. I attached the suction cup to the back of my laptop, MacBook Pro 2016, and never popped off or had any trouble sticking. The angle was perfect because it illuminated the whole area around my head, upper torso, and looked natural. My friends confirmed this. The one thing that surprised me was the silicone light diffuser. Nowhere on the Lume site does this kit say it comes with a light diffuser. It is not offered as a separate piece either. So you can imagine the satisfaction when I opened the box. It doesn't take a lighting expert to set up, turn on and get easy great light. Good product. Number 2. Lume Cube Bicolor Panel Mini LED Light. Introducing a portable powerhouse designed for your professional DSLR camera. This credit card-sized light is crafted from durable aluminum, making it easy to master your craft on the go. It's compatible with all top camera brands, so your journey to exceptional photography starts here. Take command of your lighting with a panel that adjusts from 1% to 100% brightness. This provides enhanced control for all your photography and video recording needs. It delivers the perfect illumination whether you're capturing the perfect shot or creating content. Illuminate your scenes with precision using this flicker-free LED panel. It features adjustable color temperature from 3200K to 5600K. Seamlessly pair it with your DSLR camera to achieve perfect lighting for every shot. Capture your moments without interruption thanks to a remarkable battery life of up to 14 hours. For extended use, simply plug it in and continue creating. This light is easy to pack and use, ensuring you effortlessly capture better content. This portable LED light comes with an extra diffuser and shoe mount for seamless integration. It's a must-have for on-the-go content creators. Maximize your creativity wherever your journey takes you. What we like. This pocket-sized light is a powerhouse for enhancing your photography and videography on the go. It offers precise control over brightness and color temperature, ensuring perfect illumination for every shot. If you are a content creator or photographer who needs a portable yet powerful lighting solution, this is an excellent option. What people say. Detailed intensity controls let you fine-tune the amount of light, and temperature settings mean you can dial in the degree of warmth or coolness precisely. The LED display provides good ongoing awareness about intensity, color temperature, and the battery level. It even changes in real time. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive brightness and is perfect for a variety of uses, from video calls to photography to on-the-go lighting needs. The bicolor temperature control is a great feature for adjusting the tone to match your environment, and the fact that it's rechargeable makes it super convenient. It's compact, it slides right into the hot shoe of any camera. The light is practically the size of my wallet. I love the little LED screen or display, whatever you want to call it. Shows me the battery life, my Kelvin levels and brightness. This light is bright. The Kelvin adjustment was perfect. 5500K is perfect for first dances, maybe not that high but you get my point. It helps my subjects stand out from the background as lights may be flashing or very dim. 2000 to 4000K was perfect for my sparkler exit. This is a very warm light. This light allowed me to match the colors around and make my shot 5x better. Number 1. ULANZI L1 Pro Waterproof LED Light. Meet the upgraded ULANZI L1 Pro, a cute and completely waterproof light designed for all your adventures. Its enclosed design and magnetic charging solve common issues, making it reliable even underwater. This professional photography light offers a 5500K daylight balance and a 95+ CRI for accurate colors. It's perfect for photography, videography, underwater shots, and even creative lighting for stills. With 4 brightness levels and a built-in 800 mAh battery, it provides up to 4 hours of light. It also supports charging while in use, ensuring you always have illumination when you need it. This mini cube light is incredibly small and lightweight, fitting easily into any bag. Its durable design makes it a reliable companion for all your creative projects. Featuring a built-in 1/420 screw hole, it can be easily mounted to DSLRs, drones, smartphones, and more. The magnetic attraction also allows for quick setup on metal surfaces. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including color filters, diffusers, and mounting options, to meet all your diverse photography needs. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you encounter any issues, our customer support is ready to assist you. What we like. This light is completely waterproof up to 32 feet, making it ideal for underwater photography and challenging environments. It comes with creative color filters and magnetic mounting for versatile scene setting. If you are an adventurous vlogger, underwater photographer, or need a durable light for unique creative shots, this light is built for you. What people say. Even in broad daylight, it was the difference between dark, dead eyes, and a beautiful little catch light which made us both look alive. The plethora of modifiers it comes with certainly gives me a ton of ideas. Night portraits in the city would be a great venue to use these, as well as photos in the rain, or even using it as a flashlight to explore damp places. As a photographer, I appreciate the barn doors, the tripod mount, the brightness adjustments, and everything fits in the tote, keeping everything neat and together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.